What's up guys, I'm Rasim from Motherboard and today I'm going to show you some epic B-roll of my brand new X99 4K video editing monster of a machine that I just built about a month ago. Now I did a few videos where I showed you guys the parts, and I did a video of my full build. Now in this video I'm going to go over the parts again and show you the sexy B-roll of this beast of a machine. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so let's talk about some of the parts. I'm going to start off with the motherboard, the brain of the operation. Now since this is a X99 build, I went with Asus X99 Deluxe motherboard U3.1. It's an ATX motherboard. It's freaking amazing, blazing fast. And my build is a black and white build, so that motherboard goes perfect with my color scheme. Now the CPU that I chose is probably one of the best CPUs you could buy. It's the Intel Core i7-5960X. It's an 8-core beast of a processor, and since I'll be doing 4K video editing, I needed a beast of a processor, and that processor is crazy fast. Alright, and to cool the CPU, I went with NZXT's Kraken X61 all-in-one cooler. Now the reason I chose this cooler is because it's highly rated. It looks freaking cool. It's got an LED light that you can customize to your color scheme. And I also chose an NZXT case for this build, so I wanted to keep those two things the same. Now for memory, I chose Corsair's Dominator Platinum 32GB kit. This is their DDR4 3000 memory kit, and it's probably one of the best you could buy. And it looks freaking amazing in the build. And for the power supply, I went with the EVGA 850W. It's 80+ gold power supply, and it's perfect for the build, and it's all the power that I'm gonna need. And for the graphics card, I chose a Gigabyte GeForce GTX 970. Perfect card. It's not the most expensive card out there, but it's right in the middle, I think, and it does the job perfectly, and it plays PC games with high frame rates. And for storage, I went with a SSD, Samsung 840 Evo SSD. It's a 500GB SSD, blazing fast. Windows starts up like in a second. I freaking love it. And for a secondary hard drive, I went with a Western Digital Green 4TB hard drive. I'm basically using that drive just to back up all my files. And now finally for the case itself, I went with an NZXT H440 in white. Again, my color scheme for the build is black and white. I love this case. It just looks great with all the parts. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you the B-roll of this beast of a machine. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. I left a link to this PC part picker in the description so you can see exactly all the parts that are in this build. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys like this video, please give me a like. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. I'm Rasim from Motherboard and thank you for watching.